149 new cases of COVID today. Thailand is reporting 149 new cases of COVID-19 today, with 144 being locally transmitted. Ninety of the cases were found during proactive screening of people related to the recent Bang Khae market cluster in Bangkok. Samut Sakhon recorded 31 new cases and Pathum Thani recorded 2, with all being found during proactive screening in communities. One new case was recorded among an arrival from the United Arab Emirates, one from Switzerland and one from Germany. The total amount of infections in Thailand since the pandemic began has risen to 27,154, with 26,299 recoveries and 87 deaths. (768 others are currently undergoing medical treatment in hospitals.